Before I start this video, I just want to apologize for the constant buzzing in the background. Fluorescent lights hate me. Also, I did not know I was out of focus for like the introduction of this video, so I'm very sorry. Alrighty, please enjoy. Thanks. What's poppin', guys? It's me, Piper. We're back at it again. But we're not in my house this time, as if you couldn't tell. I'm in my garage because I have a little project here that you can't see because I have to lower you down a little bit. Let me just there we go. See? It's an engine. It is a 948cc engine out of a 1960 Austin Healy bugeye sprite that I'm gonna restore. Do I know anything about cars? A little bit. Do I know enough to restore? No. So y'all are gonna come with me on this adventure, and you know, we're gonna have a great time. The first thing on my agenda is to clean her up because she's dirty. Like, been sitting for 30 years dirty. So I already sprayed her with some good old WD-40 cleaner and degreaser. Who needs makeup to do this with me? You can just have like a whole ass degreasing bottle. Right? Right. Anyway. I got some degreaser. Well, my dad actually went out because he's so great. He went out and got a good old little bucket, and I put a bag because I'm not trying to get my garage all types of dirty. And I also filled up one of these like garden, you can't see me, one of these garden sprayer things. And you like pump up. I can spray her off. That's very satisfying. I'm gonna zoom y'all in and then we're gonna speed it up. I know, right? I'm in a different place. Yet again. Amazing how that works. And so basically what happened was my camera crapped out because why not? And then I didn't notice because I was too preoccupied because I flipped the engine over by accident. I swear on my life. So basically all I did was we finished scrubbing it down, got it like it was clean, you know, it can with some degreaser and stuff. So then what we did is, well actually I just sprayed it down with some water to get all the big like chunks of crap off of it and rinse it like good. And now it's just sitting and drying out in the garage, and tomorrow I'm gonna go look at it and start taking it apart, and I'm gonna go buy a parts cleaner from either Princess Auto or Canadian Tire or something like that, and then hopefully I'll be good to start really taking it apart, really giving everything a good clean. And then the fun part, I gotta really figure out how much power I'm really gonna give to this thing. So, you know, we're gonna go on an adventure. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I'm gonna keep posting more car videos, even if no one else watches them, except like the 5 people I know that are like, wow. If y'all are watching, hey, hit me up. I haven't talked to y'all in a good minute. But yeah, no, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope y'all are having a great day. Thanks. Love y'all. Bye.